Hello everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can update a huge number of formulas with a very easy and simple techniques. The example we're using here is not very complicated and it's not very huge, but the idea is to show you how to do it. So I have this table here that shows the top 100 series available on all streaming platforms, and I have these top 11 random pick out of this table, and I'm using VLOOKUP to search for the series name, get back the IMDb rating. Okay, I have a video for VLOOKUP, easily explained, you can check it out. But let's now imagine that for some reason I deleted this table. This happens all the time if you're dealing with Excel. Sometimes you need to delete tables. And when you delete tables, the VLOOKUP looks like something like this. This error code means that the value you're looking for, the table is no longer available, or that the column index number goes beyond the array you specified. But how can I update the entire formulas here to start reading from this table here, assuming that I have a backup table or a new table? Okay, so what could I do? I could simply go into the formula bar, click on the table array, this part here in bold, delete, and then select the new array and hit enter. This is one way of doing that. And of course, you copy and paste the formula to the rest of the rows, but I have much simpler even way. What I can do is just I need to open a small notepad, and I come to this error that replaces the table array, copy that. Okay, so I'm going to copy that, put it here for a while, and then I come back, hit equal, and then I select these ranges. It gives me from I to L, and I hit enter. Of course, this is no meaningful value, so it will give me an wrong value, but I just need to copy the new table array, and then I come back to the notepad and paste it. Okay, and then I select my entire sheet, hit Ctrl plus H. That opens the function of find and replace. Okay, and we're going to do what? We're going to find this, the error, copy, paste here, replace it with what? I to L, the new array. Okay, and then I hit replace all. Boom, all done. We made 11 replacement. The Excel automatically replaced the error value with this new range, which is from I to L. And since the VLOOKUP did not change, I'm still getting the fourth column. It gave me the new result. Imagine if you have 1000 function, you can easily do that by find and replace. And I have a series of videos for the shortcuts, how to open all these shortcuts quickly throughout the keyboard. I hope this is useful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment or question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.